Hello guys, so welcome back to my video, and here I'm going to show you how to complete KYC in Binance. Okay, so KYC needed, it has been updated, and click on KYC, and if you have Binance you have to click on yes I have. Okay, so you have to paste the hamster deposit address from Binance and memo number. So go to the Binance, and if you already have your Binance account, so you have to copy from there. If you don't have Binance account, and if you need me to make a video to how to create the Binance account, you can comment below. Okay, so here this is my Binance wallet. So here click on add fund, then click on deposit crypto. Okay, so now here you have to be very careful. You have to search hamster wallet. Okay, hamster, so you will find in second. So click on here and click on ton coin congested. Okay, so click on OK, then you see the deposit address and memo number. First copy the deposit address and go to hamster again and just paste the deposit address to hamster deposit address slot, and again go back to the Binance to copy the memo number. Okay, so when you copy this memo number, again go to hamster and paste it on hamster memo number and click choose and continue. 7 choose. Okay, so request processing, so it may take some time, or according to this notification September 24 you will get the confirmation. Thank you.